I think there are two fundamental things happening now which are ongoing and which are future-oriented in relation to research and understanding of active learning. One of those is, for the first time, we are seeing major meta-studies being done globally on what works well, what doesn't work very well, what doesn't work at all in teaching techniques and learning techniques. So these meta-studies, which there are two that are running pretty well continuously, are very, very interesting in terms of finding evidence to support the idea that an activity or something that we do in education will actually have a positive impact in terms of teaching and learning. Now, that meta-research strongly shows and supports the argument that active learning techniques can be very powerful for learning certain things. It doesn't mean that everything has to be done through active learning. No, not at all. But it means that if you choose to teach or to process some part of the course, some part of the knowledge building or the competence building using active learning techniques, that this may achieve a deeper learning and deeper competence building than another alternative, which may be, for example, talking or whatever. So the research, the meta-research on education is very significant in helping us learn to be better educators at school, at university. The other thing is generative AI and other forms of AI applications, because these are already changing a whole load of aspects of how we live, how we work, and how we study in life. But they are also slowly, at the moment, coming into influencing how we learn and how we teach at university level. Let me give you an example. If I'm at a university in Mexico and I need to learn a language like English, the question here is, should I be going to English classes for so many hours? And should I be using an English textbook in the English classes and out of the English classes? Or should I be doing part of this learning using AI, having my own personal tutor to help me learn to pronounce English, to help me to learn the extremely complicated grammar of English and the illogical structures of English, and then go to class to actually actively learn real content using English as a tool. So AI will influence, it is influencing already the ways in which we learn languages, but that is also going to be true and has been true for some time with the learning of other subjects. So active learning is being influenced by two things. One, the building of evidence of how best to teach and how best to successfully learn, and two, the implications of AI in its many forms now, today, and tomorrow.